What's good is UC Money. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm gonna be talking about different primary accounts that you can go get and put on your credit without no inquiries, without them checking your credit or nothing like that. Stay tuned, let's get to it. If you haven't subscribed, I need you to go and subscribe right now. Click the button. I need you to hit that like button, leave a comment. I need you to let me know what it is that y'all want to see me talk about, what more that y'all want. Let me know, put it in the comments, I got y'all. Okay, so these are the accounts that you need to go get. If you have nothing on your credit report, right? Let's just say you 18, you 20, or it don't matter how old you is, but you never done nothing with your credit, or you got your credit clean and there's nothing on there, but you trying to generate a score, you trying to get your scores up, and you trying to get your credit report the way it needs to be. These are the accounts that you need to go get. And on top of that, what's lovely about it is no hard checks, no hard pulls, so you good to go on that. Let's get to it. So the first account we're gonna talk about is Credit Strong. You pay them $15 a month, it's gonna go into a savings account. They're gonna report a $1,000 loan on your credit report. So the thing is, you wanna have a mixed credit report. You wanna have installment accounts, which are loans, and you wanna have revolving credit, which is credit cards. So that's why we need to have half and half. So no matter how long the term loan you choose, even if it's up to 60 months, you don't have to go through the whole 60 months. You can cancel whenever you're ready to cancel. So you pay them $15 a month, up to $55 a month. So if you pay them $15 a month, they report a $1,000 loan on your report. If you pay them $55 a month, they'll report a $5,000 loan on your report. No credit check, no hard pull. So another account we definitely want to go get is called Kickoff. Kickoff is the same thing, but the only difference is theirs is $2 a month. You want to go get all these accounts because remember, you want to have a mixture of credit. You want to have the revolving accounts. You want to have the installment accounts. And remember, like in the video I told y'all previously, you definitely want to have about 8 to 10 accounts. So yeah, a lot of these accounts are going to be the same, but you want to have 8 to 10 accounts reporting on your credit report. The next account we're going to talk about is called Rent Reporters. Rent Reporters, they report your rent every month to the credit bureaus, and it's going to report as an installment account. So this is another one of those installment accounts, but instead they're going to go and report your rent, so you need to be on time. So if you're in an apartment, if you're in a condo, if you rent a house, what you can do is you can sign up. They're going to call your landlord. They're going to ask your landlord, you know, do you rent from them? They're going to ask, you know, when do you pay your rent? And then the good thing about this is it's going to give you 2 extra years in age. So they can backdate up to 24 months. If you've been living here 24 months or longer, they can backdate it up to 24 months, which is going to increase your average age history. That's real big for your report. So if you watch my previous video, you'll see how important age history on your credit report is. So if you, in another scenario, what you can do is if you have an auntie, an uncle, a mama, or daddy that owns a house, stay with me. What you can do is you can also use them to report rent on as well. So what you can do is, hey, I rent from this person. I rent a room. I pay this much a month. So what you need to do is, hey, mama, I'm about to put you down as I'm renting, you know, as I'm renting from you. I'm renting a room from you. I'm letting them know that I pay $1,000 a month. Make sure y'all on the same page. What they're gonna do is they're gonna call or text just to verify that this information is true. But listen, you wanna make sure that whoever you using actually owns the property. You wanna make sure they actually own the property. Y'all on the same page. Let them know I've been renting from you for this amount of years. Make sure they at least been living there that amount of years. Then on top of that, let them know, okay, hey, I'm reporting that I pay $1,000 a month to rent a room from you. Y'all gotta be on the same page. And then every month they gonna send them a text or send them a call, make sure you pay on time. That's big right there, you feel me? On to the next. So the next account we're gonna talk about is an actual installment account. What I would do is I would go to my bank, whoever I bank with, Wells Fargo, Chase, any credit union, preferably the credit unions. I will go to them and I will say, hey, I want to open, or hey, I want to get a secure loan. Let them know I want to get a secure loan. So what a secure loan is and how it works, you're going to give them whatever amount, $100, $500, $1,000, $10,000. Hey, I'm gonna give y'all this. They're gonna take that money. They're gonna basically put it in like a CD or a savings, and then they're gonna basically give you that same amount back. And then you're gonna have monthly payments every month until you pay the loan off or until you just, your term loan is up. But some major sauce. And what I would do and be real savvy with it and what's gonna really boost your score up even more, this what I would do, and this what I teach my mentees to do. I would give them $1,000, right, for my secure loan. And then within 24 to 48 hours, I would go back and pay them 90% of that loan off. So if I get them $1,000, I'm finna go back and give them and pay off 900, and then for the rest of my 60-month term, just pay that minimum amount until it's paid off. So what this gonna do is, instead of that installment loan or that secure loan reporting to your credit report at 100% balance, it's gonna show that you only have a 10% balance. So that's gonna really make your score go crazy out the roof with that. And that's just some free sauce I'm gonna go ahead and get to y'all. Not only just to get the secure loan for that reason, but even on top of that, just think about it like this. You building a relationship with your bank. So you showing them, hey, I know how to manage this money. I know how to pay y'all back. So now when you pay it back, you're gonna be able to go back to them and probably get that same amount or double unsecured. So let's just say you go give them 10 grand and over 6 months to 12 months, you pay it off, right? I'm pretty sure when it's time to go back and you ask them for an unsecured loan, they not gonna have no problem with at least giving you with that same amount, if not more. And that's how you build a relationship with your banks. And you can do this with multiple banks. It don't have to be just one. You can go get 3, 4 unsecured loans at the same time with three or four different banks and build that relationship. So like I say, then when you go back and your credit is where it need to be, your score, your profile, and you say, hey, I need an unsecured loan, they ain't gonna have no choice but to give you that paper. Here we go. Now we're finna move on to the credit cards, the revolving accounts. Like I say, you wanna have a mixture of accounts, not just installment loans, not just credit cards and revolving accounts. You wanna have both. And the next one we're gonna talk about is the Tomo credit card. What's big about the Tomo credit card is it's no hard pull. They don't check your credit. What they're gonna do is they're gonna go off what's in your bank account, what's in your checking account. So what you're gonna do, you're gonna put some money in your checking account, $1,000, $5,000, $100, 10 grand. They will give you a line of credit, or a credit card up to $10,000 based off of how you spend and based off of the amount that you have in your checking account. So I'm not guaranteeing you that you're gonna get $10,000 because you put $10,000 in your account. They got all kind of algorithms and whatever they do to figure out how much they want to give you. But the more in your account, the higher the chance that you have at getting up to that $10,000. So, like I said, when you apply for the Tomo credit card, they're gonna connect your account. Don't connect the account and finish out the app until make sure you got some money in your account. Put the money in your account first, go apply, connect your account, and then you'll get your credit card. So the next card that you're gonna wanna go get, and this card is similar to the Tomo card, it's called Trigrain. You go to trigrain.com. So the thing about this card is it's similar, it's the same thing. You're gonna connect your bank account. So don't apply until you have the money in your bank account. Put the money in your bank account in your checkings account, then you go apply, and then you'll get the card, and they'll give you an amount based off of your spending limits and based off of the amount of money that you have in your checkings account. This is another great card and great account that you need to go get in order to start building your credit up how it needs to be. All right, another account that we have, this account is called Open Sky. Open Sky is not gonna be like the other cards that I told you about. This card is a secured credit card. So let me tell you what a secured credit card is, similar to a secure loan. So what they're gonna do is, instead of them pulling your credit, they're not gonna pull your credit. So you're gonna go through the application process, and then they're gonna ask you how much you wanna put down for your secured card. So if you give them $150 or $500 or $300, that's how much your credit limit is gonna be. So let me reiterate that. Whatever you give them, That's how much your credit limit is going to be. So if you give them $500 for your secured card, they're going to put that money in a CD or a savings, and then they're going to give you a line of credit on a credit card, which is a revolving account, and that's going to be your spending limit for your credit card. All right, man. So these are 8 accounts that you need to go get today. Don't wait tomorrow. Don't wait the next week. Go get all these accounts now. So that way, within the next 30 or 45 days, all these accounts gonna hit. Your score gonna go crazy. Your score gonna go up. So look, go get these accounts, man. Follow the blueprint. That's all you gotta do. Don't reinvent the wheel. Don't try to go off track and do your own thing. I'm about to literally give y'all the blueprint on how to go be successful, how to build your credit, how to go get everything that you need and that you want to go get into the little lifestyle that you need. If you haven't subscribed, man, please go subscribe. Do that for me. Go like the video, comment. Also, check the description. Follow me on all social media platforms. Let's get to it. Let's run it up.